So good morning guys. There's someone asking me the wiring diagram of three-way switch. So in this drawing, I will try to draw the schematic wiring diagram of a three-way switch. So this is very quick drawing. So never mind the good kind of drawing, but this is understandable for the someone who doing practice for the electrical wiring. So this is goes like this. C is for common, 1 and 2 is the terminal, because in three-way there is 3 terminal. First switch, number 1 switch, and this is number 2. Also this one is your C for common, 1, 2. 1 is connected also to the traveler. This is traveler number 1 wire. This is for number 2, traveler wire number 2, so called. So this is bulb, receptacle for bulb. This is the connection. Common is for the other terminal. This is line 2, goes to the bulb terminal, line 2 and line 1. Switch number 1, switch number 2. All this switch is three-way switch. So three-way switch is consists of common and then 1 and 2 terminal. If you open the three-way switch, you can see this 3 terminal inside. So if you see letter C, this is common. Line 1 is for the common, and then traveler 1 to traveler 1, traveler wire number 2 to traveler number 2. So this one is the connection of the three-way switch. If you do DIY wiring at home, you can use this diagram. You can use this diagram as your reference so that you will get the correct wiring and avoid problem. So this is switch number 2, switch. So this one is line distribution is line to line, so all the line is hot or so-called live. If you are living in province, the line distribution is line to neutral. So meaning one line is live or hot and the other is zero, neutral. So in province, you do the wiring, and going to switch is live, the hot is for the switch always, so that during turn off the live is cut, so there is no power to the lamp. Unlike if you put the live directly and the neutral to the switch, during off the live is still there. You cannot switch if you put reverse or reverse connection. If you do the reverse, if you use a line, neutral line to the switch, there is no switching, only for the neutral, and neutral is zero. So better use this line. Live is to the switch, like this. You do like this. So this drawing is very helpful to you if you do DIY. So thank you so much. If you want more wiring diagram of the wiring at home, you can write in the comment section so that I will make a schematic for your reference. Thank you, and please like and subscribe.